In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on Cloudflare Under Attack Mode to instantly protect your website from suspicious traffic, bots, and potential DDoS attacks. If you're experiencing unusual spikes in traffic, spam, or your server is slowing down, enabling Under Attack Mode can help you stabilize your site within seconds. I'll walk you through this step by step so you can activate it quickly and confidently. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website security guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to dash.cloudflare.com. Log into your Cloudflare account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Cloudflare account home dashboard. This page shows all the domains that are currently connected to your Cloudflare account. If you manage multiple websites, make sure you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. Now, from the account home screen, locate the domain name of the website you want to protect. Click directly on that domain. This will open the main dashboard for that specific website. Inside this dashboard, you'll see several tabs and settings related to DNS, SSL, security, caching, and more. Everything we need is inside this domain-level control panel. Once you're inside your selected domain, look for the Security section in the main navigation menu. Depending on Cloudflare's interface updates, you may see it clearly labeled as Security. Click on it, and within the Security settings, you'll find an option called Under Attack Mode. This feature is designed to protect your website when it is actively under threat by presenting a short verification challenge to visitors before they can access your content. You'll see a toggle switch next to Under Attack Mode. To turn it on, simply click the toggle. When you do this, Cloudflare will prompt you to confirm your action. This is because enabling Under Attack Mode temporarily changes how visitors access your site. Instead of immediately loading your website, visitors will see a brief checking message while Cloudflare verifies that they are legitimate users and not malicious bots. After clicking the toggle, click on Enable to confirm. Once confirmed, Under Attack Mode will activate immediately. There's no waiting period, and you don't need to restart your server or change any DNS settings. Cloudflare will begin filtering and challenging suspicious traffic right away. This can significantly reduce strain on your hosting server and block many automated attacks. It's important to understand that Under Attack Mode should typically be used during active threats or unusual traffic spikes. While it's very effective, it does add an extra verification step for all visitors, which may slightly impact user experience. Once the attack or suspicious activity has stopped, you can simply return to the same section and toggle it off. To disable it later, just go back to your domain dashboard, navigate to the Security section again, and switch the Under Attack Mode toggle off. The change takes effect immediately, and your website will return to normal visitor access behavior. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Cloudflare Under Attack Mode to protect your website. As you can see, the entire process only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in keeping your site online and secure during critical moments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Cloudflare tutorials, website security tips, and step-by-step technical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.